In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Sendgrid API key. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a working API key that you can use in your application, website, or integration. Make sure you're already logged into your Sendgrid account in a web browser because we'll be working directly inside the Sendgrid dashboard. First, look over to the left-hand side of your Sendgrid dashboard. You'll see a vertical menu. Find the option labeled Settings and click on it. This will expand a list of settings-related items. From that list, select API keys. This is the dedicated area where you can create and manage all of your API keys for Sendgrid. Once you're on the API keys page, look towards the top right corner of the screen for a button that says Create API Key. Go ahead and click that. This is where you'll define exactly what this key is for and what it can do. Next, you'll be asked to provide a name for your API key. In the API key name field, type in a clear, descriptive name that will help you recognize it later. For example, if you're using this key for a website contact form, you might name it Website Contact Form. The more descriptive and specific you are here, the easier it will be to manage multiple keys in the future. Now it's time to set the permissions for this key. This determines what parts of your Sendgrid account the key can access. You'll see a few main options. Full access gives the key permission to access all parts of your account. This is powerful, so only use it when you truly need that level of control. Custom access lets you fine-tune permissions for different areas, excluding sensitive sections like billing and email address validation. This is a good choice when you want to follow the principle of least privilege and only allow the key to do exactly what's necessary. Billing access is specifically for accessing billing-related endpoints and is especially useful for advanced account management needs, such as in enterprise or partner setups. Once you've chosen the appropriate permission level, click the Create and View button. Sendgrid will now generate your new API key. At this point, your API key will be shown on the screen, and this is important. It will only be displayed once. Immediately copy the key and store it somewhere secure, like a reputable password manager or a secure configuration system in your development environment. For security reasons, Sendgrid will never show you the full key again, so if you lose it, you'll need to create a new one. And that's it. You've successfully created and securely stored a Sendgrid API key ready to be used in your project.